Ever feel like tenant screening is a vibe check with paperwork? Meet May I Stay, behavior-based renter screening. One avoided problem tenant can save thousands in repairs and lost rent, and hours of staff time. Pop your numbers in our ROI calculator and watch the savings add up. Setup is plug and play. May I Stay does the heavy lifting, no extra staff effort. Managers say, cleaner move-outs, faster approvals, less drama. More profit, less risk, save time, without changing your staffing. If you're accountable for NOI and resident quality, you need behavior data. Scan to start your pilot with May I Stay today.